In today's chess video, I'm going to show you a deadly opening chess trick called the HALOSAR trap, and also I have an interesting chess puzzle for you all. So stay tuned till the end. So let's see what the trap is all about. So we start with d4 as white, black plays d5, and here we give a pawn with e4. Obviously black will capture, and we play knight c3 attacking the e4 pawn, knight f6, f3, one more free pawn. So obviously black players here captured e takes f3, and here instead of the knight takes f3 we are gonna play the move queen into f3. So now here we are offering the d4 pawn for free. So black will obviously capture the pawn on d4, and here we start with the trap. We play the move bishop e3 attacking the queen in the center, and the queen, usually all players will play here queen to b4. The best move for black in this position is to play queen g4, but let's see what if black plays queen b4. So now here we go with the move long castle, and black must be really happy, and also he must be already enjoying his victory here by playing the move bishop g4. But in fact here black is losing. Let's see how. So here we will play the move knight to b5. If black, he thinks he is taking the queen, he will be happy and take the queen, then we can play the move knight into c7 checkmate. So obviously let's see if black doesn't take a queen. Black has lot of choices here, so let's see the move e5. So on e5 we can still play knight c7 check, and after king to e7 now we have the amazing move. Can you see it? It's the move queen takes b7. If now black player takes the queen thinking it's for free, then we have the crushing move bishop c5 checkmate. Let's see if black player plays knight a6. So the other move here is to play the move knight a6. Let's see what to do here. On knight a6 we still play the move queen takes b7 attacking the a8 rook. If here black players can play bishop into d1 or rook c8. Let us see both. So on rook c8, here we can play the move queen takes a6. If black plays bishop into d1, then we can obviously play the move queen takes c8. Game over for black, checkmate. Let us see if black plays the move bishop into d1. So on bishop into d1 we can go queen takes a8 check, afterwards which king d7 will be played obviously. Now here we can play the move knight to a7. Idea is now all of black pieces are hanging. The knight on a6, the bishop on d1, the king is in the center, and all of white pieces are very strong in development. Let's see a good move for black. The only good move here black can do is to play the move queen e4, but still nonetheless white is winning. After queen e4, of course we will not capture the queen and exchange it. So here we'll play the move queen into a6, on which black will play the move bishop into d1. Then we'll play the move king into d1, on which black can play the move rook d8 check, and we can just take our bishop back to d2. White is better here. Let us see another variation for black. So here black can play the move queen into e3 check, on which we are forced to go to king to b1, on which Black has to do something about this c7 pawn, or else there will be a lot of problems for the king or even a checkmate. So black plays the move queen to c5, defending the c7 pawn. Here we can play the move queen to b7. Here the a8 rook is hanging. So let's say black plays rook to c8. Here we have the amazing move knight to a7, on which black has two options here. Bishop into d1, but that is almost a checkmate. So the only move is bishop f5, attacking the c2 pawn. So here we can go with the move bishop to b5 check, on which if black plays something like knight to d7 or bishop, let's say bishop d7, then we have the amazing move queen into c8, game over, bam. So let's see if black has any more choices. Okay, so on queen b7, let's say black plays the move bishop into d1, attacking the c2 pawn. So here we have the simple finish to play queen into a8 check, force king here, and now we can play this knight here. Overall, black is almost dead because his king is in the center and white has all the pieces ready. Bishop b5 is coming right now and the d1 bishop is hanging. So this is a great position for white, since black pieces are just entertainment box at the last rank. Okay, so it's puzzle time. In this position, it's white to move and checkmate. Let me know in the comments and give me the best definition and the reason for this move. The best response will be pinned on the YouTube channel. That's all for today. If you like this content, so do not forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you.